Hello and welcome. Thank you kindly. Please come again. Welcome to Golden Key.
Are we staying here? Just so you know, I'm cool with camping.
Welcome back. A fine show. We use the freshest fish in every dish. We'd appreciate help with these troublemakers. It's in your capable hands.
Yes. ¿Dónde ibas a escalar esto?
Remember, safety first.
Y tú, estoy hablando y estás...
Welcome back. What do you feel like having today? No end of headaches, this lot. Thank you for your patronage.
Absolutely breathtaking.
Yes, I was about to say.
This bites. How am I supposed to make my...
Take a shot from here.
Good call. Now it's picture time. Ready or not? Oh, love the lighting.
What's all this about the port closing?
Some kind of holdup in Altissia.
So, what is it you're after today?
Always a pleasure. Good luck out there.
Let's fish.
Like a kid in a toy shop.
Better make tracks. Ignis, we're going.
On my way.
Nothing like nature in the middle of nowhere.
Estamos llegando a los bichos. Hay bastante nivel, la verdad. Esto va a ser así, pero bueno. Piedra.
The hunt is on.
Feeling all right?
I've had worse near-death experiences.
Never fear, Prompto's here!
How are we?
Getting by.
Try this! The hands are getting a little clammy.
Get it! Prompto! I'm impressed. It's
That's crossing the line.
Sorry!
My pleasure. Watch yourself, knocked.
I know.
I think we're in for a fight.
Got more than we bargained for.
Iggy's looking pretty rough.
Not good.
You paying attention?
Iggy! My pleasure.
Nada que lo pagamos.
Thought seafood would make you happy, especially something this big.
What it's gained in size, it will have lost in flavor.
That's what you're hung up about?
Eso me cambia.
One false move and we're done for. We can turn the tide yet.
Drat.
Noct, you need to help Ignis.
Not good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. I owe you one. This is no time for a nap. You're your lifesaver.
Thank you.
No biggie.
Ignis!
Yeah.
Up for more?
Compton, can you help Noct?
Okay, I'll be right there.
This can't be.
Prompto!
Oh, hi there, opening.
Nice one, Prompto.
It's nothing. Good as new.
All right. I owe you one.
Now,
Coming up!
going for it.
Uh-huh.
Watch yourself, Noct.
I know. Gladio, do it! Oh, quite the formidable foe.
Wouldn't have a bounty on his head if it weren't.
No walk in the park.
Me cuento para combate.
Wow,
The color's amazing.
Guys, we got a little problem over here.
Cool. Go take care of it.
Whoa, that wasn't part of the deal. Knocked rules!
No big deal.
Right there!
This one's just for you.
So long! Bum, da, 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 dun, da, ba, da, ba, da, bum, ba, ba, da, ba, dum, bum, bum, bum.
This sounds like you're having fun.
And here we are.
Let's call it a day.
I'll see what I can whip up.
Vamos a comer una hamburguesa.
Not big on camping out, but can't complain about the food.
You flatter me.
Hey, I'm serious. Can you imagine what we'd eat without Iggy to cook for us?
Well, you can always count on cup noodles.
You just can't get enough.
You telling me you don't love them?
Didn't say that.
Road food will be a thing of the past once you're settled down.
As will all this picky eating nonsense.
No skipping dinner to whip up an instant snack in the middle of the night.
I think I can handle it. Feeling refreshed.
Well, the tent lets you stretch out a bit more.
We're here.
It is quite comforting to see other people about.
Feels nice here.
Welcome to Golden Key.
Welcome back. You really are dependable. We use the freshest fish in every dish. Here is the local lineup. Oh, this one's especially nasty. Take care out there.
Oh. Better make tracks. Chop chop, Prompto.
There in a jiffy.
Real nice here.
Yeah. Ready for this?
Don't die on me.
Of course.
Yeah.
Prompto!
Oh, hi there, opening.
I'm impressed.
I think we're in for a fight.
Got more than we bargained for.
Hey, Ignis, instructions!
Heads now!
Hey, Iggy! Noct, need your help!
I'm on my way.
Guess I slipped up there.
Set yourself up for a fall, more like. How are we?
Getting by.
The game's up.
Ignis!
My pleasure.
Count on it.
Get out!
Pronto! Make it count!
Yep.
Get lost.
I'll say I'm amazed.
What can I say?
Can't keep on like this.
Stay down! That was a close one.
Too close for comfort.
I'm comfortable just being alive.
Welcome to Golden Key.
See what's at the market before I decide on a
Welcome back. A fine show. Allow me to take your order. No end of headaches, this lot. It's in your capable hands. Remember, safety first.
Better make tracks. Ignis, we're going.
On my way.
Ah, the breeze feels good.
Indeed.
Knocked! On top of it! Thanks, Prompto.
Glad to be of service. Here I am!
Of course.
My hands are getting a little clammy.
Out for the count already?
Still in this.
Thank you. No biggie.
Not good.
Oh, quite the formidable foe.
Wouldn't have a bounty on its head if it weren't.
Nice timing, Gladio.
No time for napping.
Ignis!
Watch yourself, Knocked.
I know.
That's crossing the line.
Sorry!
This is no time for a nap. You're a lifesaver.
Isn't it a bit early to be taking a break, Prompto?
Back to work I go. Are we doomed? Pretty sure we're doomed.
It's nice knowing you guys.
Thanks.
Pronto!
Got it.
Hey, Specs!
You have need of vision.
Uh-huh.
Done.
My pleasure. Magnificent.
Takes two.
Look, if anything happens to me,
I won't let anything happen to you.
Farewell.
This one's just for you!
Never end.
I could really chug one back right now.
I just adore this shop. But we'll be fine as long as we're at a haven. The Oracle will protect us.
Welcome back. Making quite a name for yourself. We use the freshest fish in every dish. You do know this is a restaurant. We have a sumptuous selection. Here is the local lineup. Thank you for your patronage.
My tummy's rumbling.
This bites. How am I supposed to make my... deliveries?
Hope everything will be up and running by morning.
Nice work, kid. Sorry for giving you such a hard time. I just had to get my hands on this, even if it meant blackmail. You understand, don't you? You see, I'm a reporter by day and an amateur jeweler by night. This elusive little beauty's gonna become a masterpiece. To make it up to you, I'll share a little scoop. That special coin you got? It commemorates the Oracle's ascension. That guy was tossing them out to everyone. Must have picked them up back in Niflheim. And speaking of freebies, here's one from me. Come back if you want to buy more.
I doubt a souvenir like that could make its way into the hands of an ordinary citizen.
Oh well, it's our pocket change now.
Let's learn from history and book a place this time.
As promised, I'm in the process of securing your ferry tickets right now. Told you, I'm a man of integrity. Should be smooth sailing from here. So let me know when you're ready to ship out.
I admit I didn't expect Dino to secure us a ship.
Well, must be pretty connected if he can pull some strings around an Imperial embargo.
Yeah, that guy's one artful artisan.
You guys ready to set sail? Already? The ship won't arrive till tomorrow. How about you find a place to spend the night?
Ugh, I'm all sticky and gross.
Woohoo! Bath time! Morning.
Where's Specs?
Should be back any minute now.
What's that look for?
It's in all the papers.
What is?
Insomnia Falls.
What? This your idea of a joke?
I need you to calm down so I can explain.
I'm as calm as I'm gonna get!
There was an attack. The Imperial Army has taken the Crown City.
As treaty room tempers flared, blast lit the night sky. When the smoke about the Citadel had cleared, the king was found dead.
No, wait. Hold on.
We had no way of knowing.
What? Knowing what?
That the signing was last night. That insomnia...
But the wedding! Altissia!
I know. That was the plan. Yet the reports of the invasion are all the same. How could every headline in the kingdom be wrong?
Lies.
If only.
What else do we know? Well, then we can't be sure until we see it with our own eyes.
And that means we go back to Insomnia.
Might not be safe for us there.
Might not be safe for us here.
Turn back?
Yeah.
Han tomado la ciudad de mi padre. No, no, no.
I hope everyone's okay.
A lot of good hoping's gonna do.
You mustn't lose faith.
Really? Can faith stop a fleet of Imperial dreadnoughts?
Just give it a rest.
My old man had plenty of faith.
Enough.
The Empire lied. They betrayed us.
Conjecture gets us nowhere. We're searching for truth.
All you'll find are lies. Like that ceasefire.
Look at the size of those things.
Imperial dreadnoughts. They transport soldiers, namely the Magitech infantry.
The robots?
Mass-produced humanoid weapons of warfare, to be more precise.
Doesn't look like they'll be signing that peace treaty. Up ahead!
They've set up an inspection point.
If the road ahead's blocked, then we find a way around.
Let's make a detour. There ought to be a decent vantage point up ahead.
There they are. Want to take them out?
Yeah, those scrap heaps are gonna wish they had a treaty to protect him.
Here goes nothing!
Where do they keep coming from?
Can't imagine what it's like inside.
We should seek a vantage point. The hill.
So these are MTs.
Humanoid soldiers. Soulless. Merciless.
Heads now!
The game...
No more Mr. Nice Guy!
As the ceasefire discussions between the two nations, all provisional terms have been suspended in light of recent developments. Moreover, In the wake of the news of King Regis's death, we've now received word that Crown Prince Noctis and the Oracle Lunafreya have also been pronounced dead.
Keep it on. Don't bother! Hello? Cor?
So, you made it.
What the hell's going on?
Where are you?
Outside the city? With no way back in.
Makes sense.
Makes sense? Are you serious? What about any of this makes sense? The news just told me I'm dead, along with my father and Luna.
Listen, I'm heading out to Hammerhead. About the king. It's true. If you're looking for the whole truth, you know where to find me. Get moving.
Right.
What did the Marshal have to say?
Said he'd be in Hammerhead.
And the king? Don't suppose the Crown's Guard is still active?
I wouldn't count on it. Not with the Marshal out here.
I wonder how things are in the city.
There should be reports before long.
Yeah, something this big can't go ignored.
And what about us? What do we do?
We make for Hammerhead now, and figure the rest out later. Got a message from my sister. She's with refugees bound for Lestalem.
Well, at least Iris is okay.
Yeah. Doesn't sound like everyone else was so lucky, though.
We'd best make haste. Noct won't be dead forever.
No going back. Only ways forward.
No going back. Let's go.
Hey.
Glad y'all made it. No weather for driving, that's for sure.
Oh, thanks.
Where's Core?
Left to see to business. And left y'all a message with Pawpaw.
Yeah?
Boss ain't sat still 1 second since he heard y'all were coming. Ain't never seen Pawpaw like this before. The pep's gone out of him like air from a tire. Y'all keep on keeping on now. Ain't never seen Pawpaw like this before. The pep's gone out of him like air from a tire. Y'all keep on keeping on now.
Still can't believe they took Insomnia.
It was only a matter of time. Walls are made to fall.
All pretty again. Take care of her, you hear?
So much for everlasting peace.
Is war our only option?
Probably. Wonder why they bothered with the treaty in the first place.
Ain't never seen Pawpaw like this before. The pep's gone out of him like air from a tire. Y'all keep on keeping on now.
Crystal and the King's Ring. What they've been after all along.
So all talk of peace was merely a pretext.
They played my father for a fool.
Don't kid yourself. Reggie wasn't born yesterday. Lucius got dealt a losing hand, and your old man played it the best he could. He saw this coming a mile away, and he wasn't gonna go down without a fight. In the end, though, well, it just wasn't enough. You need something else, you talk to Cor. I can't even remember the last time I saw Reggie. Feels like a lifetime ago. Cora left a message. Said he'll wait for you in the tombs. They're to the northwest of here. That's a short ways past the outpost. Find that first. Interesting toy you got there.
This? It's just something we picked up after taking out some Imperials.
Well, I'll be Crown City made. If you like, I can make this puppy better. Give it more oomph.
How?
I can mod it for you.
Mod it?
Look, I got diddly squat to do what with Cindy taking care of the garage. If you can find the parts, I can do the work for you. You got me what I need. I'll take it from here. It turned out great, if I do say so myself. Never seen one of these before. Bring me the parts, and I'll take care of the rest. Fixing to upgrade? Can do.
What can I do you for? I'll get right on it. Have fun out there. Let the wild ride begin.
You boys eating your fill? How's about a bite to eat?
Things I can tell you.
Y'all see anything you like? You got it. Want to help out with some varmints? You boys are a brave bunch. Make sure y'all go prepared.
They will have sealed off the city by now.
What do you think it's like inside? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
We'll see for ourselves in time.
Indeed. Merely a question of when.
Can't believe the crystal's gone.
The bastards took it all.
And we'll take it back.
This is far from over.
Magitech engine. It's close.
Interesante.
Imperials above us! Thanks. Fan of mushy desserts. Toka killed.
Duly noted.
No. All right. Yeah. Getting by. Ignis!
On your mark, Noct.
Gotcha. Uh-huh.
No use hanging around here.
Indeed.
Bring it on. Stay strong, Noct!
Certainly didn't expect this much trouble.
Doesn't look good.
Biggie!
My pleasure. Wreck.
Up for more?
Con el mapa.
Nice timing, Gladio.
Look who we got here.
You're mine.
It's off north we can chew.
Any ideas? Anyone?
All that training, and this is the fruit of your labors?
Yeah, feels pretty rotten. Never miss!
Biggie! Hey, don't overdo it!
Just stay alive till I get there.
Yeah. All right.
Doki doy.
Ready for this?
Forget about us. Tell us what to do.
Good as new.
Get out!
Hey!
So these are Imperials.
Pleasure.
All over.
The odds are against us.
I'll say.
See that you buy no more than we need.
Sheesh. You my mother or something?
Mum's the word.
So how's it going, boys? Nice work out there.
Rồi.
What can I do you for? Take your pick. Appreciate it. You boys are a brave bunch. Much obliged. You boys are a brave bunch. Stay alert. What can I do you for? So what'll it be today? Coming right up. Had your fill? Good.
Last thing I need now.
Eyes peeled, mouth closed.
Let's be done with this riffraff. Whose side are you on?
Didn't mean to do that. See ya!
Let it be done. Onward.
Yep.
How many times?
Enough talk. Time for...
Biggie, go for it!
How are we?
getting by. This is no time for a lifesaver. Yeah.
Don't you think you're a little close? Keep your distance.
Yep.
Token killed. Duly noted.
Here goes nothing!
What the hell were you doing?
All good. Stay cool.
Cactus.
Is that what I think it is?
Doctor, can you help Noct?
Okay, I'll be right there.
Thanks.
Thanks for that.
Hurt no mind.
All right, don't panic. I got you. Don't panic. On your left.
Thanks.
Magitech engine. It's close. Any plan of attack? Plow right through them? I'll circle around then.
None the worse for wear. Bring on the next one.
Imperials above us!
Thanks.
Simmer down now.
Never miss!
Forgive me.
Watch where you swing that thing!
Apologies.
No use hanging around here.
Indeed.
Won't know what hit them. Might as well have fun.
How are we?
Getting by.
Here goes!
Biggie, go for it! I'll cover!
Don't die on me.
I'll cover!
At first you don't succeed.
Try again. Joker killed.
Same to you.
Gladio!
one?
Pronto! Make it count!
Yep.
Feeling all right?
I've had worse near-death experiences.
Stay down!
Okay.
Are we all right?
Getting by.
Agnes! Yeah.
That was a close one.
Too close for comfort.
I'm comfortable just being alive.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. My car is stuck. Oh, thank goodness you're here. My car is stuck.